Galco Now stocks a full line of products from Red Lion. They have been delivering innovative solutions for over 40 years. Red Lion's automation, Ethernet, and cellular M2M technology enables companies worldwide to gain real-time data visibility that drives productivity. Their award-winning industrial automation and networking solutions provide critical information and controls to improve productivity, working with numerous devices and diverse protocols to access data. They are global experts in communication, monitoring, and control from industrial automation and networking, and they are available at galco.com. You can view our full lineup of Red Lion products at galco.com.